will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that uh, on your Clash Royale app. So all you have to do is you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down. Then you click here on apps, come to apps list here. So then here you're looking for Royale app. So Royale Clash Royale app, or just click on search. Then here add Clash Royale app. It's going to show for you like this here. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on first stop. Then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store. Then you search for Clash Royale app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here. If you click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.